Cardano value equivalent to 6.9731 rands a coin. The present cost range, 6.60187.0613. The change was plus 0.2032, plus 3.00%. Opposite rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, May 11, cost 6.83 rands, high 7.31, low 6.35. Cardano estimate on Friday, May 12, cost 6.60 rands, high 7.06, low 6.14. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, May 15, cost 6.60 rands, high 7.06, low 6.14. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, May 16, cost 6.36 rands, high 6.81, low 5.91. In multi-week Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, May 17, cost 6.41 rands, high 6.86, low 5.96. Cardano figure on Thursday, May 18, cost 6.32 rands, high 6.76, low 5.88. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost 6.39 rands, high 6.84, low 5.94. Cardano figure on Monday, May 22, cost 6.47 rands, high 6.92, low 6.02. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost 6.28 rands, high 6.72, low 5.84. In about 14 days Cardano figure on Wednesday, May 24, cost 6.20 rands, high 6.63, low 5.77. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost 6.23 rands, high 6.67, low 5.79. Cardano figure on Friday, May 26, cost 6.17 rands, high 6.60, low 5.74. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, May 29, cost 6.32 rands, high 6.76, low 5.88. Cardano figure on Tuesday, May 30, cost 6.37 rands, high 6.82, low 5.92. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost 6.55 rands, high 7.01, low 6.09. Cardano conjecture on Thursday, June 1, cost 6.43 rands, high 6.88, low 5.98. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost 6.39 rands, high 6.84, low 5.94. Cardano conjecture on Monday, June 5, cost 6.62 rands, high 7.08, low 6.16. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost 6.20 rands, high 6.63, low 5.77. In about a month Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, June 7, cost 5.97 rands, high 6.39, low 5.55. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost 5.57 rands, high 5.96, low 5.18. Cardano conjecture on Friday, June 9, cost 5.78 rands, high 6.18, low 5.38. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for May 2023. To start with cost at 7.23 rands, exorbitant cost 7.41, while low cost 5.74. The found the middle value of cost 6.73. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 6.55. Change for May 9.4%. Cardano estimate for June 2023. To start with cost at 6.55 rands, exorbitant cost 7.08, while low cost 5.15. The found the middle value of cost 6.28. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 6.34, change for June 3.2%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2023. To start with cost at 6.34 rands, exorbitant cost 6.92, while low cost 6.02. The found the middle value of cost 6.44. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 6.47, change for July 2.1%. Cardano estimate for August 2023. To start with cost at 6.47 rands, exorbitant cost 7.64, while low cost 6.47. The found the middle value of cost 6.93. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 7.14, change for August 10.4%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2023. To start with cost at 7.14 rands, exorbitant cost 7.27, while low cost 6.31. The found the middle value of cost 6.88. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 6.79. Change for September 4.9%. Cardano gauge for October 2023. To start with cost at 6.79 rands. Exorbitant cost 8.43, while low cost 6.79. They found the middle value of cost 7.47. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 7.88. Change for October 16.1%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2023. To start with cost at 7.88 rands. Exorbitant cost 7.88, while low cost 6.16. They found the middle value of cost 7.14. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 6.62. Change for November 16.0%. Cardano gauge for December 2023. To start with cost at 6.62 rands. Exorbitant cost 6.62, while low cost 5.17. They found the middle value of cost 5.99. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.56. Change for December 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2024. At the outset cost at 5.56 rands. Excessive cost 5.61, while low cost 4.87. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.32. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.24. Change for January 5.8%. Cardano conjecture for February 2024. At the outset cost at 5.24 rands. Excessive cost 5.80, while low cost 5.04. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.38. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.42. Change for February 3.4%. Cardano cost expectation for WAC 2024. At the outset cost at 5.42 rands. Excessive cost 5.42, while low cost 4.48. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.04. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.82. Change for spring 11.1%. Cardano conjecture for April 2024. At the outset cost at 4.82 rands. Excessive cost 5.92, while low cost 4.82. They found the middle value of cost 5.27. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 5.53. Change for April 14.7%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2024. Before all else cost at 5.53 rands. Excessive cost 5.53, while low cost 4.32. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.01. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.65. Change for May 15.9%. ZAR to ADA conversion standard equivalent to 0.1434 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.1416 minus 0.1515. The earlier days nearby 0.1477. Change for now 0.0043, 2.91%. ZAR to ADA cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Cardano gauge on Thursday, May 11, cost 0.146 coin.